Hello guys, so welcome back to another video of AJ classes. So today's question is, let L be the set of all vectors of the form x, 2x, minus 3x, x and v4. v4 means there are 4 coordinate system. Coordinate coordinate means there will be 4 points and the given vector is given. क्या दिया है हमारा x, 2x, minus 3x and x का फॉर्म में दिया गया है. मतलब अगर हम x से बदले में 1 पुट करेंगे तो हमारा वेक्टर हो जाएगा 1, 2, minus 3, 1. सो इसके बाद हमें प्रूफ ये करना है कि देन एल इज ए सबस्पेस ऑफ v4. सो पहले मैं बता दूँ सबस्पेस होने का कंडीशंस क्या है. इफ़ इट इज़ ए नॉन एम्प्टी सेट एंड इट विल बी फॉलोज द स्केलर vector addition and the scalar multiplication. So what is first here given? To start the proof, first we see what is given. क्या दिया है हमें, let we take a subspace that L in where the U belongs to V4. हमारे U एक सबस्पेस है और इस सबस्पेस को वेक्टर्स को हम क्या लेंगे U और वो बिलोंग करता है V4 को, सच दैट U इज इक्वल टू x, 2x, minus 3x and x. इस तरह से हमारा बिलोंग करता है वेक्टर L and we have to show that L is a subspace of V4. L is a subspace of V4. That is, we have to show that. What we have to prove? To show that L is a subspace of V. L V4 का सबस्पेस है. इसे प्रूव करने के लिए हमें 3 पॉइंट्स प्रूव करने होगा. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या होता है, L is non-empty. L should be non-empty सबसेट ऑफ V4. फर्स्ट अपन इससे तो एक नॉन एम्प्टी सबसेट होना पड़ेगा किसका, V4 का. सेकेंड इसका क्या आता है, अगर U और V दो सेट्स होंगे और वो बिलोंग करेंगे L को और देन U प्लस V शुड बी बिलोंग्स टू L. दैट मीन्स द वेक्टर एडिशन शुड बी फॉलो एंड इफ ऑल्सो द सिमिलर U बिलोंग्स टू L एंड अल्फा ए स्केलर, then you have to prove that in the third case if U will belongs to L and alpha belongs to a scalar. So you have to prove this much also. To prove this one, these 3 properties, first we will prove the first one, if L is a non-empty subset of L. So from definition of L, L क्वेश्चन में हमारा L का डेफिनेशन क्या गया है, L इज ए सबसेट ऑफ V4. सो दैट L इज ए सबसेट ऑफ V4. L V4 का सबसेट है. सो नाउ लेट वी पुट 0 इन केस ऑफ x. सो नाउ दैट 0, 2 into 0, minus 3 into 0 and 0 belongs to L and here what we are getting, that is 0 vector belongs to L. So this will form us the vector will be 0 because all the elements will be 0 if you multiply it by 0. So this implies that if there is an exist element 0 vector in L, so that more numbers exist, but if you prove that 0 vector is exist, so that there will be a number exist in between L. So this implies that L is a non-empty, that L is a non-empty, L is a non-empty subset. Remember this is subset of V4. So that now it is subset हो गया. तो हमें नेक्स्ट क्या प्रूव करना है, L U1 V belongs to L, then U plus V belongs to L. So let we take that U1 V belongs to L. So this implies that let we take U as x, 2x, minus 3x and x according to the question, and take another vector space V as y, 2y, minus 3y and y. Similarly now you will do what, that U plus V, you know एडिशन कैसे होता है, इसको इसके साथ एडिशन करना है, इसको साथ, इस कोऑर्डिनेट को इस कोऑर्डिनेट के साथ, इस कोऑर्डिनेट को इस कोऑर्डिनेट के साथ. दैट विल बी x plus y, then 2x plus 2y minus 3x minus 3y and then x plus y. So from here you can see that here that x plus y, here we can take common 2 and here we will get x plus y, and if here take common minus 3 we will same get the x plus y and x plus y. Similarly see that this is the same pattern as like here, instead of here x, here only x plus 1 is present. instead of x, here only x plus 1 is present, and this will show us what? This as u plus v also belongs to L or not. If you take this x plus 1 as x1, this will be x1, this will be 2x1 minus 3x1 and x1, and this is also belongs to the vector space u plus v. So that u plus v also belongs to L. So our second proof is also done. Now the third one is, if u belongs to L and alpha is scalar, then alpha u also belongs to, then alpha is scalar, then alpha u also belongs to L. So that if you are taking that let u belongs to L and alpha is scalar, so first we will take that u as x 2x minus 3x and x. So this implies that alpha u will be how much? That alpha into x 2x minus 3x and x, and this will form a what? Alpha x 2 alpha x minus 3 alpha x and alpha x. The same thing here, getting the alpha x will be take as something special number, that here x2 2x2 minus 3x2 and x2, and here that alpha u also belongs to that L. As all these three properties are satisfied, so that here we can write down that L is a subspace of V4, and hence the question is proved. If you like the lecture, then like the video and subscribe the channel for latest videos.